Hey Forrest here, back with kettlebell mistake and fix number 5. This one is the last one we're going to cover on the kettlebell swing. And this one involves overextending at the top of the movement. So what you'll see people do a lot of times, this is usually a result of not really hike passing the bell back far enough, is they'll get to do their kettlebell swing and they go, instead of getting tall, it's extending back. So not only does that crank on your back, it's also inefficient, and you're not going to have as efficient of a swing. So the cue that I really like for this one, you're going to imagine like there's a giant Velcro wall behind you, okay? When you hike past the bell back, I'm going to do it with one hand so let me show as an example. You're going to imagine like you're tossing the bell back, it's going to stick on the wall, so the bottom of the bell's got to face the wall. That really requires you to get it back there. And then you rip the kettlebell off of the imaginary wall and fire it up to chest level. So as long as you can get yourself or your client to really hinge and toss the bell back, that's going to allow you to pull on the bell further and come up so you're standing nice and tall, and you won't have to compensate and crank backwards to get the bell higher. So there's your kettlebell training mistake number 5 and how to fix it.